In today's tutorial, I will show you how to autocomplete with typing in drop-down lists with Kutools for Excel. Since VBA is hard to handle for many Excel users, here we recommend the searchable drop-down list feature of Kutools for Excel to help you easily complete a drop-down list automatically when typing the first character. Before applying the feature, make sure that you have created the drop-down list in the worksheet, and in this case the drop-down lists are placed in range F2 to F12, as you can see. Click the Kutools tab. In the Range and Cells group, click the drop-down list arrow, and in the searchable drop-down list, click this arrow and select Settings. In the popping up searchable drop-down list dialog box, you need to make the following settings. In the Apply To section, specify a range or worksheet where you want to apply the searchable drop-down list feature. Click this button and select your data range. Press Enter. In the Options section, choose Match only the beginning of the word option or the case sensitive option, or both. The first option, uh, by checking it, only the items that begin with the typed character are displayed, and the first matched item will be completed in the list box automatically. Uncheck this option to display items that contains the typed character. In the case sensitive option, uh, check this option to perform case sensitive matching with the typing characters. I will check only match the beginning of the word and click the OK button. After finishing the settings, you need to enable the feature by clicking the drop down list. In the searchable drop down list, click enable searchable drop down list, and now when you click the drop down list cell, a list box with all items is displayed. You only need to type a character into the text box to display all corresponding items, and use the up or down arrow to select the item you need, or just let the first matching item automatically fill in the list box. And then press the enter key to autocomplete the drop down list cells with the matching item. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.